What's going on, Infinite Fam?
Welcome back to another video.
If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, leave a positive comment down below. You guys will get a post notification shout out at the end of our video. Guys, today is a really exciting day, and it's not because we're doing Vlogmas Day, whatever. I forgot how many days we're in, but it's because it's freaking snowing outside. How do you feel about that?
I'm so excited to go outside.
We're gonna show you guys outside. Oh, you cold? I saw you shivering.
Oh, because
It's snowing? Look, he's cold. Baby, you got blanket for days over here.
Oh,
you got so many blankets. So yeah, guys, it is snowing outside. It is the first snowfall, at least for us here in North New Jersey, and it's crazy. It's humanity will not survive out there. That's all I have to say about that.
Yeah, he took Boop out for a walk today. He was like, "Oh yeah, you're not gonna survive out there." I'm like, "What are you talking about?
Bro, it's
freaking cold."
It's not even that. It's like it's that cold. It's like the snow. It's not just falling. It's like going with the wind, and it's like smacking you in the face. It's really disrespectful this morning.
I'm definitely gonna wear my mask, man.
Yeah, it's really disrespectful. But we do have a couple things we have to do today. We have to vlog. So we're gonna be going to that Salon place. I think this is like the third time attempting it because every other time it's just not working out.
It's either closed or they don't have the stuff or whatever.
Yeah, we get caught up in like family stuff. But we're gonna go to the Salon place, and then we're actually gonna go to Starbucks right before that because your boy needs some energy. Even though it looks like I don't need it, I do need it. So.
And I want some hot chocolate.
Bloop, you want? No, you can't have puppuccino. No, not today.
No puppuccino.
We've been giving you a lot lately. No puppuccino. I'm sorry, baby.
Yeah, we listened to you guys. I know you guys have said to not give him so much puppuccinos because dogs can get cavities and stuff. So we took that into account, and we're not gonna be giving him a lot of puppuccinos.
Not even that. I don't want him getting addicted to it like daddy.
Yeah, no Starbucks for you.
No, don't be mean. Don't be mean. Look, he wants puppuccino. Baby, it's okay. It's okay. All right, guys. But now we are going to. We're gonna do a little twirly whirly and end up in a little winter wonderland. In 3, 2, 1. And we are in the winter wonderland, guys. I know you guys see these snowflakes. They fat, they heavy, and they smack in my face, and it's really cold.
Yeah, and I put my mask on because it's so cold. But look at the snow. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
We're gonna look like the complex crackheads because of what you're doing right now. Snowfall, man. It's snowfall.
You need a coat.
I'm going to my car.
Oh my goodness. Guys, watch this. Watch this. He's on the phone.
Yes.
Who you talking to?
My grandma?
Oh.
No, Janiece. She says hi. Yes, I have my coat. I have my coat.
Rona.
Yeah.
Woo-wee.
What are you doing this morning?
Oh my god. It's snowing so much.
No, it's Janiece. No, que está haciendo unos ruidos like she's being stupid.
What are you talking about?
My grandma asked what was that?
Oh, hi grandma.
No. Yeah. No, I'm gonna go get breakfast. Yeah.
Oh.
No, what about Starbucks?
Starbucks daddy.
Yep. See.
Hey, you gonna give me Starbucks?
Shh.
You gonna give me Starbucks?
You're doing this for the freaking camera. You're doing it for the camera. I know you are. No, ma.
You gonna give me Starbucks?
I'll call you back later. Te llamo ahorita. Okay, Janiece is being Janiece is being stupid.
Pass the weed.
Okay.
Pass the weed.
Bro, you think you're slick. I know what you're doing. You're doing it for the freaking camera. You're not slick. It took a little bit for me to find out, but I know what you're doing. No, you're not doing this.
I'm not doing anything. I don't understand what you think I'm doing.
I don't understand what you're not doing. I know what you're doing.
Okay.
You know what you're doing too.
I don't know what you're talking about. But
You're being dumb while I'm on the phone.
Being dumb?
You're being dumb.
Are you gonna give me Starbucks?
I don't know.
No.
You know I'm gonna get you Starbucks. Why do you even ask that?
Okay, we'll see you guys at Starbucks.
Yeah, man. Can I have a grande white hot chocolate with almond milk and caramel drizzle?
You said with almond milk and caramel drizzle, correct?
Yes, the white hot chocolate.
The white hot chocolate, correct?
Yes.
Okay, do you still want the whip?
No.
Okay, anything else?
And can I have a venti white chocolate mocha iced
Anything else?
and a banana nut bread warmed up, and that'll be all.
Okay, be $14.23, thank you.
Thank you. You think you're slick.
What?
You think you're slick.
How do I think I'm slick?
What you did back there, I know what you're doing. I know
I'm
what
not
you're
doing anything.
You're over here. Oh, pass the weed. Oh, COVID. Oh. You sound dumb.
You're so dramatic.
That's what you sounded like when I was on the phone over there.
Anyway, look at these trees, guys.
No one wants to see
so
no dang
pretty.
tree. What are you showing them a tree for?
Because the trees are so pretty, little Christmas trees.
They're mad oddly shaped.
And no, they're not. And like with the snow, look how pretty. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
You know what I'm gonna do? When it snows a lot,
Sweet.
I'm gonna get a pile of snow, and that's how I'm gonna wake you up one day.
Yeah.
So they better hope
try
that
it if you want to.
hope that Vlogmas it doesn't snow bad one day, because that's how you're gonna wake up one day and you're gonna be really mad, and that's gonna be payback.
No.
Yeah.
You're just not gonna do that.
Yeah.
No. I'll kill you. Guys, that is so gross. I don't know how he drinks that.
Bro, this looks delicious. What do you mean?
The white chocolate mocha.
White chocolate mocha
They
ice.
gave that to me last time instead of the white hot chocolate, so I definitely had to make sure it's a white hot chocolate. And I was so upset. I literally drank it. I was like, ugh.
It's so good.
It's disgusting. It tastes so strong. Like, has such a strong coffee taste.
Well, that's what I want. I want coffee. That's what you boy needs.
Does anyone else out there not like coffee? Comment down below if you don't like coffee, because I can't with the coffee. Babe, you know I had to get you with that.
What?
With the
Your
phone call.
stupidity. You're freaking.
No, because off camera, you guys don't know. Like, he always does that to me. He always is making noises, always acting crazy when I'm on the phone with my mom.
So what?
And like, my mom is a Christian woman. Like, you can't be making noises like
your
that.
Mom loves me, and I love your mom, and she knows how I am.
But anyway, shout out to Montana and Ryan, because Montana did this on Ryan and I thought that was so funny.
That's where you got it from? Wow.
See, you know you.
Alright.
What?
Nah. Alright.
What?
I'm gonna have to do some research on myself across YouTube and figure out what I'm gonna have to do on you, because you over here plotting, I see.
No, I'm not plotting. I just saw the video and I thought it was funny, so I had to do it on you.
You don't have to explain yourself, sweetheart.
Ew, why you sound like that?
It's okay, sweetheart. You don't gotta say nothing.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so where are we headed now?
We're going to Salon Centric to get your freaking products that are, yeah.
Going to Salon Centric is kind of dangerous for me.
It is dangerous for me too, because that's when I get into my depression.
Oh my goodness, please.
But yeah, I'm saying it like we gotta go get your freaking products, because this is the third or fourth, I don't even know how many times we already tried to get this stuff.
I know.
And it just doesn't work out. So hopefully this time it freaking works out.
Yeah, I really hope that it does. So, fingers crossed. So we pulled up. We are here at the place that I'm supposed to go to. It's called Salon Centric. But I'm super excited.
My grandma's calling me back. Can you not?
What do you mean?
Can you not?
Can I not what?
Can you not?
I wasn't doing anything before. I'm not doing anything now. Anyway, guys,
Hello?
I'm super excited because I'm going to be dyeing my aunt's hair.
No, sí, es que Janiece estaba...
Yo estaba qué?
Sí, yeah.
What?
Yeah, you heard her. She heard the noises you were making. Yeah, she was doing the noises. No, so I'm at
this hot chocolate slap.
Can you stop?
This hot
Ma, she's doing it again.
This hot chocolate
Otra
slap.
vez. Yeah, look.
Mama. It tastes good, mama.
She said, why you don't sound like that when you hear food?
I do. What are you talking about?
Uh-huh, you heard her, ma? She says she does. Uh-huh.
Delicioso.
Escucha.
Delicioso.
Keep
Who
going.
am I? Who am I? Delicioso.
It's Dora the Explorer. Shut up. Oh, ma, you hear her? She sounds like Dora.
Does she know who Dora is?
No, I'm at the salon place now with Janiece. She has to get some stuff because she's gonna do some hair stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
¡Qué rico!
¿Tú necesitas algo?
¿Qué necesita?
Mándame una foto. Send me a picture then.
Send a picture.
Oh,
You want to dye your
she
hair
doesn't
purple?
stop. You hear her, right? She doesn't stop.
Or black.
Shut up! Oh my god.
¿Quieres pelo rosado? Or negro?
She said, uy, no. No, ma. Send me a picture then. Mándame una foto, yo te lo cojo. Okay. Alright.
Bye.
Oh, Janiece says bye. You hear her, right? Okay. All right, Mata, ya morida. All right, bye.
Bye.
Shut, yo, what, why, what is wrong with you? I already know what's going on and yet you're still doing it. You're doing it just to mess with me at this point, just to be funny. You're sick, you know that?
How am I sick?
You need help. Like, I know what you're doing, but yet you still continue to do it just to get on my nerves. Yo, I can't stand you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I can't stand you, man.
I'm just ready to dye some hair.
Yeah. Let's go in. My grandma's gonna send me a picture of a dye she wants me to get.
Okay.
Since you get a discount here because you're that BIA.
Because I am a licensed cosmetologist
Yeah,
in the state of Florida, not New Jersey.
Dye my hair orange. Just kidding. No, just kidding. I said when we hit 1 million subs, I'll do that though.
Okay.
I did say that, and I'm not going back on my word. But let's go Salon Centric, and guys, we can't record in there, unfortunately. We tried that last time, like a couple of months ago, and they didn't let us. So we'll catch you guys when we get out of there with all the stuff.
So I got all my stuff. I'm so excited. Like, first of all, look how pretty these foils look. But anyway, let's just not ramble about hair stuff. So Isaiah decided that he needed to go to Home Depot because he needs batteries.
Not any battery, okay? I need the battery for my car remote because it says that it's low, and then my other spare key died, and I don't need this one dying because then it's gonna be a problem and very annoying. So let me take care of the problem before it happens. We're gonna go in there, get a battery real quick. It'll take maybe like 2 minutes, and we'll come right back out.
Okay, we're back. Do you want to tell them what happened, babe?
Yo, long story short, they didn't have the battery. Apparently my battery and my remote is a really, like, I guess big one in size that they don't carry them in here. You have to order it. So this is kind of gonna be, it's a pain in the butt, all right? But I'm gonna have to order it, and then hopefully it comes in fast because I don't want to not press the remote and my car not turn on or anything like that. So a little peeved off about that, but it is what it is. But now we're gonna go back home, and I'm gonna go cuddle with my Wow. He makes everything better. We'll see you guys back home. Hopefully my maybe there's a battery over there in like the couch cushions or something that I can use.
I doubt it. Who carries batteries in their pockets? We're the only ones who sit on our couch.
This is true. Maybe Wow has one. Maybe he could sell me one.
He definitely has one, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's up his butt.
Ooh. Okay.
He probably ate it. Made it back home. The Wow is here.
He wants mommy.
He doesn't want you. He doesn't like you. He really does. He doesn't like you. I hope you know.
Mommy.
He was telling me last night he really doesn't like you. No. Bloop, you make everything better. Oh.
He wants
he wants you. He really does want you. Bloop, that's crazy. All right, so before we close out today's video, should I make a phone call so you can go? So you can do something dumb?
No, definitely.
Oh, you grew up.
Yeah, I have my baby now.
Okay, you grew up. All right, cool. So, Infinite Fam, that is the end of Vlogmas Day 9?
I think so, yeah.
I think 9, yes. End of Vlogmas Day 9. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Leave a positive comment down below. And if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, all right? And then we will catch you guys in the next Vlogmas, which is Day 10. Hopefully we're right. But, anything else?
No, say bye, baby.
Your idea was really dumb. I just want you to know.
No, I loved it.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys in the next video.